Urban XRS.
Now this one has the Cambridge car audio treatment.
This is actually number 25 out of 65 of the XRS.
The full Cambridge car audio treatment. Introducing the Urban Defender XRS. This vehicle is about to embark on the full Cambridge car audio treatment. You guys are in store for an absolutely monster of a video. Let's go.
So we stripped our car down, our door panels are out, our seats are out. Now it's time to get our soundproofing in and our speakers. So let's get started. So our soundproofing is done on the vehicle, our speakers are installed. Now we are going to focus on our custom box build. So let's head to our hood room and get that started. So our soundproofing is done, our speakers are in, our custom box is built. Now let's hand over to audio.
So guys, you have seen an absolute monster of a journey on this beautiful Urban XRS Defender, but now this one has the Cambridge car audio treatment. It sounds absolutely bonkers in here now, and the nicest thing about the whole system, you can't see a thing. Everything is hidden behind the factory grills. You've got a new three-way front end which comprises of the Hertz Mille Legend set. So you've got the tweeter in OEM location, you've got the mid-ranges, and then you've got the mid-bass down in the bottom of the door. I've gone for an Audison Voce two-way, which is a tweeter, and 6.5-inch mid-bass driver in the rear doors, again OEM locations, and then also underneath the factory floor we've got the deep Hertz 10-inch sub, as well as two amplifiers, the Audison Forza range, the 12-channel and the 1-channel, driving an incredibly fully active system. This sound is just something different. Like, from how it came in to where we are now is just night and day. And so one of the biggest problems with these Defenders is the amount of awful rattles. So using that 3mm layer of skin soundproofing that we use across the area of the vehicle, obviously it does depend on spec of how far we're going with stuff, but generally speaking, like on this car, we've done front, rear doors and boot area fully covered with the acoustic deadening, and that reduces road noise, builds a better environment for a system to work in, and obviously helps with those rattles and resonations that you get inside the door, building a far more solid environment for that door to perform in and that speaker to perform in. So we're using that product, but then it's not just the actual product itself, and this is where we differ, because it's about the time you spend doing things. So with the vehicle, we spend a lot of time deadening the door, but also we then acoustically treat the door. And when we do that, basically what I mean by that is we're securing all the cables that are inside the door, making sure everything is nice and tight, and also securing all the clips that go in and fasten the door cards together. And that again reduces rattle resonation and builds a better environment for any system to work in. And that is why they are called now the Cambridge car audio treatment, because they get not only the upgrade of the actual product itself, but it's about the level of detail and work that we go to when we're installing behind the scenes. So that's a bit of an overview of the spec. Obviously you've seen plenty of other Defender videos, and if you haven't done so already, we've got loads of other Defender videos on our channel with different specs, different options. So if you want to have a listen or listen to those or see those systems, go over, check out that. Also check out our Instagram page as well, because we've got loads of content on there as well, a couple more behind the scenes shots of as we're working, as well as the fact on our website we have got different options listed on there as well, so well worth checking that out too. But Urban have done a fantastic job on the rest of the vehicle, getting it looking absolutely incredible with the styling bit, the steering wheel, the whole thing here looks absolutely incredible, and these seats are absolutely mint. But we've now got the car sounding exactly how it should be as well. So let's play a couple of tracks. This is literally just using CarPlay through the factory system, and we're just going to load up a couple of songs here and we'll play them for you guys. So good.
This is my hope. This is what I stand for. Now is the time to let it all. The darkest night is always seen. Wait on the night and we're face to face. I've heard about you, you know about me. Already enough not to lose the game. The darkest night is
when that depth comes in, it's just like, it's just so good. I mean, that's like a quarter of the volume that you've got as well, so.
We are all the same, fame, attention, confirmation. Why do we care? What is it worth? What is it worth? We are all the same, we want to be loved.
I mean, we don't need to go any more than that. I mean, it's just so controlled. Like the kind of freedom ability that it feels like it has now is just really prominent. You've also got the ability, obviously on a lot of the Defenders we've done in the past, the Audison DRC controller that we normally use actually sits on this right side, but where you've got the XRS logo plaque that's bolted down onto here, obviously we couldn't go into that location, so it took quite a lot more stripping down to do. All this top section of the dashboard had to come off to get to it, but we've actually managed to flush in the controller into the left side here, which actually looks really nice. We've illuminated it with the red to match the rest of the red stitching and stuff. Just really blends in, looks really smart, and you can't really tell. It's quite kind of hidden, invisible, but you can control sub level from there, as well as many other things. But I mean, overall, my final thoughts on the system, obviously we've done this system so many times now on other Defenders, but you never get bored of them. From where they come in to where they are now, it's always such a noticeable difference. When you get in, you just go like, oh my god, that's literally bonkers. So you never get old, you never get bored of it. And even though we've done exactly the same spec in other vehicles and other Defenders, just the nature of getting in and going, this sounds absolutely bonkers every single time, it never gets old. And that is the beauty of car audio and beauty of actually owning a system in your own car, because every time you jump inside that vehicle, you know, and you turn it on, doesn't matter if you're having a bad day or good day, it just changes it. It just makes it puts a smile on your face. You can listen to the music that you like, how it was supposed to be kind of intended to be heard by the artist. Another Defender completed with the Cambridge car audio treatment. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'm sure if you stayed to right at today's very end of today's video, I'm sure you have done already. But if you could smash that subscribe button and also share the video with friends and family. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next.